In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the auto upload of photos to OneDrive. Many of us appreciate the convenience of having our photos automatically uploaded to the cloud, but there are times when you might want to halt this feature, whether to save storage, manage privacy concerns, or simply to keep certain pictures from syncing automatically. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can manage your OneDrive uploads with ease. Let's begin by opening the OneDrive application on your device. This is your first step to get things started. If you're using a Windows computer, you can quickly locate the OneDrive icon in the notification area of your taskbar, typically situated at the bottom right corner of your screen. On a Mac, you'll find the OneDrive icon located in the menu bar at the top of your screen. For mobile users, just look for the familiar blue and white cloud app icon among your applications. Once you've found and opened OneDrive, the next step is to access the Settings menu. On a computer, right-click the OneDrive icon and select Settings from the contextual menu that appears. If you're on a mobile device, tap on the Me icon or your profile picture, usually found in the upper left or right corner, and then choose Settings from the options presented. Now that you've entered the settings, look for the Backup tab, a crucial spot where we can control the behavior of OneDrive regarding your photos. On a mobile device, you might see an option labeled Camera Upload directly instead of Backup. Either way, the goal is the same, to find where your photo settings are located. Within this section, you should clearly see an option for Camera Upload. This setting typically has a toggle switch, either on or off, depending on your current configuration. To stop OneDrive from automatically uploading photos, you need to turn this feature off. Simply click or tap the toggle switch so it shows as off. On Windows, you might have to uncheck a box instead. It's straightforward but essential to get right. You might also have additional settings or confirmations that allow you to specify which folders should be synced or any exceptions for images. Ensure that any related options are also set to your preference. Take a moment here to confirm any dialogues that request confirmation to prevent any lingering uncertainties about your choices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully stopped the automatic upload of photos to OneDrive. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust them as needed, depending on your preferences or changes in your storage needs. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips and tricks with OneDrive and other useful apps. If this video helped you, give it a like, and don't hesitate to subscribe for more helpful tech guides.